We're back at Naomi's channel for unboxing things. This time I have this like other butter slime, but it's a different brand. And I already took the wrapper off. I'm gonna unscrew it. This is hard. I'm just gonna speed this up because this might take